Welcome to your 10-minute standing full body stretch. Perfect for those days where you don't have a yoga mat, or perhaps you simply don't want to get down on the floor. So we'll start by bringing our feet about hips width apart, placing one hand over your stomach, the other over your heart. As you close the eyes and tune into your breath, inviting it to be slow and steady through the nose, setting the intention to move freely and mindfully today. And you can release your arms to your side. We'll just begin with a neck circle, going slowly in one direction, and then just once around the other way, working our way from head to toe, and then straightening up through the neck. Place your fingertips to your shoulders. Take some big circles back with the elbows, warming up through the shoulders. And then reversing direction. Make these movements as big or as small as you would like, getting the entire upper body involved. And then let that go. Inhale the arms up overhead, and exhale, reach the right arm over towards the left. Side body stretch here. Coming back up through center, let's inhale the arms up once more. And then exhale your way over towards the right. The right hand can simply rest on your hip as you reach those left fingertips that half a centimeter further. Beautiful, let that go. Bend the knees softly. We'll take a few standing cat and cow. So inhaling to arch and look at the sky, and exhaling to round through the entire spine, perhaps even bringing the chin towards the chest. So again, these movements are your own. Take it one more time. And then slowly roll your way back up to standing. Bring your weight onto your left foot and catch hold of your right foot with one or both hands. So here we're squeezing the glutes, we're tucking the tailbone, getting a nice stretch through the front of the right hip and quadriceps. And a little balance challenge while we're at it. Let that go, shake things off a little bit before switching sides. Find a gazing spot in front of you to help with balance as you catch hold of the left foot, balancing on the right leg. One side tends to be a little bit more challenging for one of us, totally normal. You can set both feet down, find yourself at the top of the mat, hands to the waist, as you take a giant step back with the right foot, ending up in a high lunge. You can keep the hands to the waist or reach them up tall. And on the next exhale, pivot to the side for a warrior two. So the left foot is still forwards as we inhale the left arm up and back. And exhale, side body stretch. Coming back to warrior two, same thing, straighten the front leg now. And reverse your triangle pose. The left arm comes up. And exhale. Left hand finds the left leg as the right arm reaches tall. And straightening your way back up. Bend the front knee. Back to your high lunge. And step to the top of the mat. Shake it off. Don't worry if you didn't get all of that. We have a second side. Take a big step back with the left foot now. Right foot is forward, right knee is bent, maybe the arms come up overhead. And then exhaling, find your warrior two. Finding length between the fingertips of both hands. Pressing down through the outside of your left foot. We'll find our little flow, inhaling to reverse your warrior, right hand comes up. And exhale, side body stretch, reach the left arm long. Reversing out of that, straighten through the front leg. Get ready to reverse your triangle pose, right arm up. Inhale. And exhale, traditional triangle pose, left arm is up. Moving a little more dynamically today. And straighten yourself back up. Bend the front knee, pivot your way into that high lunge and step to the top of the mat, lifting up through the heels. So balancing on just the balls of the feet just for a moment here. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the abs. Hold it, and set the heels down. Give yourself a smile and a little pat on the back. Let's widen the feet now. We'll come to a standing wide-legged fold. So inhale the arms up, and exhale, fold yourself over towards the left. Swing your way around into a forward fold. You might like to bend into one knee and then the other, before rolling the upper body up to standing. Second side, inhale the arms up, lean your way over towards the right, continue this semicircle, find your way into that forward fold. Hands are over the knees, bending one leg, then the other, swaying side to side, warming up through the legs. Roll your way back up, and keeping both legs bent now, toes are turned out, twist your way over towards the left. So you can really give a little bit of weight into that left hand to help with the twist. And coming back through center, we'll simply twist right, dipping the left shoulder towards the ground, looking up over the right shoulder. Legs are still strong here. And back to center. Catch hold of your opposite elbows and let yourself dangle as again you sway a little bit left and right. Finding space in the lower back. Letting gravity pull you that little bit deeper. Find your breath here. And then bring your hands back to the knees so you can roll your way up to stand. Take a little roll back with the shoulders. Toe ball heel the feet in a little bit closer together. Roughly hips width apart once more. Arms are up overhead and swing one arm forwards and the other back. Little yoga for the brain. Take that a few times here. Don't worry if you get confused. And then try it in the other direction. Other hand back, other hand forwards. Arms are nice and straight. And take a chest stretch by pulling the elbows down towards your sides. And then twisting over towards the right. Reach that right arm back. Inhaling back through center. And exhaling, twisting left. And coming back to center once again. Drop your arms by your side, shake things off. Beautifully done. Take a little neck stretch, let the right ear fall towards the right shoulder, perhaps holding on with the right hand, and reaching the left arm away. Slowing things down now. Coming back to the breath, switching sides. Head goes left now, shoulders are nice and soft. Right arm reaches away. You can even flex into that right wrist for a little bit more intensity. Notice how you feel. And softly release hold of your head, bringing it back to center once again. You can step the feet in perhaps a little bit closer to one another or keep them hips width apart. Roll the shoulders back. Close the eyes. Hands to the waist. And take a couple tucks of the tailbone. Just tucking and releasing here. Activating through those glutes and through the lower back. And once you're ready, you can once again bring one hand to your stomach, the other hand over your heart, keeping the eyes closed and allowing yourself just a few more breaths here as a thank you, recognition to yourself, to your body, for all that you do and all that you are. If you enjoyed this practice, I'm sure you'd love to join my 10-day free morning yoga challenge. I'll put a link on screen and in the description box, and I hope to see you there. Have a beautiful rest of your day.